If you're over 60 and feel like your body just doesn't bounce back like it used to, you're not alone. Feeling slower, stiffer, weaker, even forgetful? Most people think it's just age, but in truth, it's often your food. Today, I'll show you 5 everyday foods backed by science to help you stay strong, sharp, and pain-free well into your 70s and beyond. And none of them require a fancy diet or expensive supplement. Before we start, let me ask you, what's the biggest health challenge you're facing right now? Weak legs? Achy joints? Memory issues? Comment FIT and let us know, and tell us where you're watching from. All right, let's dive into the first one. Number 1, fatty fish. Wild salmon, sardines, mackerel. They're loaded with omega-3 fats that protect your joints, fight inflammation, and support brain health. 2 servings a week can lower your risk of Alzheimer's and reduce stiffness in your knees, hips, and shoulders. Number 2, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K, crucial for healthy blood pressure, strong bones, and muscle function. The more greens you eat, the stronger your foundation for aging well. Number 3, berries. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Small but mighty. Berries are packed with antioxidants that slow brain aging and protect memory. In one study, seniors who ate berries regularly had sharper recall and less cognitive decline. Half a cup a day is enough, and best eaten whole, not blended or juiced. Number 4, eggs. Yes, eggs are not the enemy. In fact, they're one of the best muscle-preserving foods for older adults. They're rich in protein plus choline, which supports brain function and muscle strength. 1 or 2 eggs per day can help prevent muscle loss and keep you full longer. And number 5, ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory with powerful benefits for joints, digestion, and circulation. It can reduce pain from arthritis, soothe your stomach, and even support heart health. Try drinking it in warm water with lemon or adding to your morning smoothie. Let's quickly recap those 5 strength-building foods: fatty fish, leafy greens, berries, eggs, and ginger. These aren't trendy superfoods, they're time-tested, affordable, and powerful tools for aging better, starting with your plate. So I'll ask you again, what's your body telling you it needs? Comment FIT and tell us where you're from, and tell us what you're working on fixing. Let's build videos based on what matters to you. And if you found this helpful, make sure to tap that subscribe button and hit the bell. We post real solutions for real people every single day. This is FitFixen, where we help you eat better, move better, and stay strong after 60.